Organizations generate data from multiple sources every day. To make informed decisions, this data must be collected, processed, and transformed into meaningful insights quickly and efficiently. Managing data across different systems can be complex. Inconsistent formats, large data volumes, and manual processing often create bottlenecks that impact reporting accuracy and business intelligence efforts. To address these challenges, Blackcoffer developed an advanced ETL framework powered by BigQuery, enabling seamless data integration, automated processing, and scalable analytics. The framework extracts data from multiple sources, transforms it into a standardized format, and loads it into BigQuery for centralized storage and analysis. Automated workflows ensure data is processed efficiently and made available for real-time reporting and business intelligence. Key features include automated ETL pipelines, multi-source data integration, BigQuery data warehousing, scalable data processing, real-time analytics, interactive reporting and insights. The solution improves data accuracy, accelerates reporting, reduces manual effort, and enables organizations to make faster, data-driven decisions with confidence.